This is a 2017 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Lariat, black over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone, cruise control, home link for your garage door, push button start, remote start, navigation, satellite radio, heated and cooled seats, electronic climate control, heated seats in the rear, tow mirrors, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.